Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change font style on iOS 18. First of all, what you have to do is unlock your iPhone. After that, you have to open the settings app on your iPhone. Once the settings app has been opened, what you have to do is swipe down just a bit until you see General. Click on General, a new page will open. On this page, you have to swipe down and find the option called Fonts. Once the font has been found, what you have to do is click on Fonts. A new page will open. In this section, you have two more options, System Fonts and My Fonts. If you do not have any fonts of yourself or customized fonts, you haven't created any of them, so you have to select the System Fonts option. Now, on this page, you will be able to see so many fonts. Some of them are installed on your iOS device, some of them are not installed. So what you have to do if you want to use a font but it is not installed on your iPhone, you have to select the downloading button in front of it, and from here you can select any font you like, and that's basically how you can change the font style on iOS 18. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.